This video tutorial explains how to bind camera parameters to shortcut keys on CINENORM series monitors. When a camera is connected to the monitor via a wired or wireless connection, a specific camera parameter can be bound to a shortcut key, allowing for quick adjustments. For example, if you set shortcut key F1 to aperture f6, 3 and shortcut key F2 to shutter speed at 250th, you can adjust the aperture to f6, 3, then long press the iris parameter to bring up the binding interface and select F1 to bind aperture f6, 3 to F1. Similarly, for shutter speed binding, adjust the shutter speed to a 250th. Long press the shutter parameter to bring up the binding interface, and select F2 to bind shutter speed at 250th to F2. When quick parameter adjustment is needed, pressing the F2 shortcut key on the monitor will set the shutter speed to a 250th, and pressing F1 will set the aperture to f6, 3. Additionally, the monitor's scroll wheel can also be bound to camera parameters for adjustment. For example, to bind the scroll wheel to the aperture parameter, go to the monitor settings. Click on F key presets, select the scroll wheel, and choose iris to bind the camera's aperture parameter. When the camera control panel is not open, scrolling the monitor's wheel will adjust the aperture parameter. Other parameters such as ISO, white balance, and color temperature can also be bound to the monitor's shortcut keys. That concludes the tutorial on binding camera parameters to shortcut keys for CINENORM series monitors.